Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shinta Brown, and today I am unboxing the WYBOT. We had so much work done to this backyard and it's still going. It's time to really clean up this pool and this backyard. Finally, I think we are at completion, and don't worry, I will talk about my backyard, show you all the things that I've done in another video. But for right now, let's focus on this cordless robotic pool cleaner that is solar. I'm so excited to try this. My pool does have the pool vacuum cleaner. I do like it. However, it doesn't get everything that I needed to get, so I'm really excited to put this to use. The first thing I noticed about this WYBOT is that it does come solar, but it does have a plug, so you could go ahead and charge it. It does not depend on solar alone, and I love that. Put it to charge just in case your solar is not being charged enough by the sun, which is awesome. So I do love that option. But I live in Dallas. The sun is always shining here, so I am happy to have something that is sustainable and, you know, earth friendly. So this is what it looks like. This is how you'll set it up on the side of your pool. This is what I've done, and I already got some dirt on here. I can see a lot. I see the leaves and everything, so I'm really curious to see how this bot picks it all up. I'm told that it does climb walls and it cleans the water line, so that is amazing because that's what I really need at this point. You can go ahead and schedule your cleaning with a bot, which is really, really cool. You can also tell your bot which pattern or how you want it to clean. I love that for us. There's so many different options for the wall, for the floor. Another thing that I love is that you can go ahead and control it manually. So maybe there's a spot that it missed, you can direct it to go ahead and just clean that specific area, which is really, really cool. Wow, look at that. It really picked it up. Amazing. And now it's getting on the walls. I love that. One thing I noticed is that the bot actually doesn't make so much noise outside. Like if you're standing above the pool, you don't really hear much noise. And right now you can see that the bot is actually going over stairs, so it does clean the stairs, and you can see the brushes and everything nicely, so that's amazing. But like I was saying, you don't really hear much noise above the water, so that's great. If you're in the water, you can hear the noise, but above you don't hear anything. It's really silent, and I love that. So it was able to pick up that piece in the back. One thing I noticed is that you have to leave it alone and allow it to do what it needs to do. It definitely picks up everything that it needs to pick up, which I really, really love, and it made me so excited when I saw, because why not? I love that it also calls itself back. If it's dying, it will definitely get back by itself to the charge. It finds its way home to charge itself, so that's awesome. You can also call it to come back. So like, let's say if there's something that you want to change or do, you can call it to come home and it will get back to the charge or its home station. I love that as well. But look at that. Look how it cleaned up everything. So don't think that it's not gonna get it. It's doing its own thing. It's doing the pattern that you chose. So you just have to allow it some time and it will gather everything that needs to be gathered. But I love this. So now let's go ahead and peek inside to see how much things it was in the pool and what it grabbed out. It's simple to open. I love that. The box is, you know, shows, and it's just a little clamp that you have to unclamp, and then boom, inside there it was able to pick up the grass, the dirt, little pebbles of rocks. I love that. So now let's clean it. I went ahead to the side of my house. I just added, you know, my little sprinkler thing, and then I'm just shooting some water in to keep it clean. Then I go ahead, put it back inside, close that, make sure everything is shut. I wiggle it around and swing it back to its home base, and it locked itself in. Pretty simple. I love how this is really easy to use, and I love how it cleaned my pool. Thank you to WYBOT for sending this over. I hope you guys check it out.